Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some chocolate mousse. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our chocolate mousse, we're going to begin right up here. And we're going to start with some of the toppings first. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little cherry. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve up and then down. Then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to go up and bring it down to here. Now I'm also going to make the little wafer in here. So I'm going to start this right by the cherry. I'm going to draw a little line that comes up. We'll add a little curved line across the top. And we'll make a little line that comes down. Then I'll make a little wavy line right here. Now we want to make the top of our little glass for our chocolate mousse. So what I'm going to do is I want to make a little oval shape. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to curve it around. It's going to come up and then back to here. Then we'll add a little line right there. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to make a line that comes down. And we'll make another little curved line right here at the bottom. Now right here I want to make a little bit of a face. So I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye. I'll leave some space and then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'll make another circle inside of the circle, and I'm going to color in most of this one, but I'll just leave a little bit white towards the top. Then I'm going to make a curved line for the mouth, with kind of like a curved line for the tongue. Extra little line right there. Now right here, I'm going to make sort of a wavy line that's going to come to here, and then we'll make another little wavy line right to here. We won't forget that little spot there. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here, and we'll do another one that's going to come down here. And I'll make a little curved line right here. Next I'll make a wavy line here. We'll draw another little wavy line up here. They don't have to match. And then we'll make one more right here at the bottom. Next I'm just going to add a few curved lines onto the little wafer. And I think I'm going to add a little stem onto our cherry just to make it look more like a cherry. And there you go, there is your drawing of some chocolate mousse. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.